Today's story in Udhampur district of Jammu and Kashmir, a unique irrigation technique from Israel has been launched. The process conserves water and is helping farmers increase their yield. It's our good news today's story. As always, good night, goodbye. Stay well, stay safe.
These lush vegetable fields in Udhampur district didn't look the same 2 years ago. In an impressive feat, Udhampur has adopted Israel's drip irrigation technique under the district administration's Jivika project that has helped the region increase productivity while conserving water and soil. The technique was introduced by Dr. Piyush Singla in 2019. Today, there are as many as 30 clusters where drip irrigation is being used.
Jivika project is about increasing farmers' income. The drip irrigation has been used to a very big scale. There are a lot of tremendous response to the whole overall project. Generally, we used to see there is a lot of reluctance to shift over to the cash cultivation. Farmers are generally aligned to the wheat and maize cultivation traditionally. But with this Jivika project, we could actually sensitize them. There is a lot of scope for crop diversification.
Farmers claim the new technology has brought many new benefits.
इसका हमें बहुत फायदा हो रहा है और जो पहले हम उगाते थे इसमें उसका हमें 1% मिलता था. अब हम एग्रीकल्चर के थ्रू काम कर रहे हैं, ड्रिप इरिगेशन के से मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं, तो इससे हमें 10% ज़्यादा और फायदा हो रहा है.
हमारे को ट्रबल फायदा हो रहा है कनाल से भी, मतलब 20-20 हज़ार रुपया हम एक कनाल से निकाल रहे हैं सब्जी का, तो इससे हमारे को ज़्यादा फायदा हो रहा है. तो बाकी हम आगे भी ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे.
Drip irrigation technique uses limited amount of water which is directly sprinkled on the roots of the plants, saving precious water.
94% area of the district is rain-fed and 6% of area is under assured irrigation. Right. So, but we have a lot of natural sources that are perennial water sources, but which are being untapped. So to get them tapped, a project has been framed that is Jivika, and under that the sources are tapped and a reservoir has been created on the top of the land.
Drip irrigation technique, which brought a revolution in the agriculture sector in Israel, has now been introduced in Udhampur district of Jammu and Kashmir under the Jivika project. Elated by the success of the Jivika project, the J&K administration is now mulling to implement this irrigation model in other districts of the Union Territory.
For a nation that depends heavily on agriculture, irrigation all over the country is still a concern, with dry summers and sparse monsoon in some regions. Drip irrigation could be the answer to many of these concerns. With Sunil Jipat in Udhampur, Bureau Report, India Today.